Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating an eBay developer account and registering an application so you have App ID, Cert ID, and Dev ID. Once those exist, configure redirect URIs and choose exact auth scopes you need for inventory or order access. Now implement secure storage. Put keys in environment variables or a secrets manager, not in source code. Finally, request sandbox keys to test. This gives you immediate credentials and a safe place to iterate before calling production endpoints. Next, implement OAuth 2 authorization code flow so you can obtain access and refresh tokens reliably. Exchange codes server-side and persist refresh tokens. Once done, test token refresh logic repeatedly because refresh failures are common. Then switch to Sandbox API endpoints and craft one conservative get call, like retrieving listings or orders, including authorization and content type headers. Make sure to handle rate limit headers and exponential backoff on 400. To finish, swap Sandbox keys for production app ID and update endpoints, but preserve token refresh logic and webhook subscriptions. Once done, add robust logging, monitoring, and exponential backoff for rate limit and transient failures, and automate token rotation so the app recovers from expiry. If something breaks, first inspect HTTP response headers and error codes, replay requests in Sandbox with identical headers, and verify your OAuth scopes and redirect URIs match what you requested. That troubleshooting step will usually reveal authorization or scope mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.